Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparking Media. In this video tutorial, I will walk you guys through the step-by-step on how to connect Mining Peria account to Bep20 wallet address. If you have been mining on this very platform and you don't really know and understand how the wallet connection is being done, then in this video tutorial, I will walk you guys through the step-by-step on how it's being done correctly. All you need to do is to calm yourself down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because by the end of this video you are going to learn how everything is being done correctly. Okay, but before I proceed with this video guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky aka Legit Boss. What I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, reviews and updates on this my channel on daily basis. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new videos or new updates like this. And then if you enjoy videos like this and you want more update, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and tutorial purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of every platform before using them. This is my disclaimer. All right, so how do you connect your Mining Peria account to Bep20 wallet? Now, to do this, you need to have access to the contract address. How can you get the contract address? The contract address has been given in my WhatsApp group. The contract address you see in the WhatsApp group is the original contract address to this very platform. So if you're in my WhatsApp group, if you're watching this video from my WhatsApp group or you're watching this video from my Telegram group, the contract address you see in the description of this video is the gray contract address. So you use the contract address in my WhatsApp group or Telegram group to add the token. Then when you have added the token in any of your wallet, Web3 wallet, then that is when you can now use it to connect your account. Now, how do you do it? To do this, you can see the option of wallet. Click on wallet. So when you click on wallet, you see the option where they say connect Bep20 wallet. Click on connect Bep20 wallet. So when you click on connect Bep20 wallet, what do they mean? First, for you to be able to get the address which you will be submitting here, you need to have added their contract address to your Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask, Bitget wallet, or Bybit wallet, or Binance wallet. Take note, it is wallet, not exchange. Exchange is different from wallet. These are the things you need to understand. Bitget has its own wallet, Bitget wallet, not Bitget exchange. Now I'll be using Bitget wallet in this case. So now I will go to Bitget wallet. So when you open your Bitget wallet, you can see the option where they have home, market, and they have pay, they have wallet. Click on wallet. So when you click on wallet, scroll down, down. So when you scroll down, you see the option of manage tokens. Please do take note that this tutorial applies to all Web3 wallets. If you are using Binance Web3 wallet, the same tutorial applies to it. So you can still use the same tutorial or the same procedure to add the contract address. Okay, so you can see this option of manage token. Click on manage token. So when you click on manage token, you can see the option where they say enter token name or contract address. The contract address you will copy from my WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Click on this place to paste it. So when you paste it, allow it to load. So when you load, you can see this option of turn on here. Turn the button on. So when you see, I have now turned it on successfully. But if there is no option to turn on, then you can add the token manually. Do you understand? Now I have added it now. What next are we going to do? Go back. Now refresh your dashboard. So when you refresh your dashboard, scroll down. Look for it. Start looking for it here. So you can now see it, Peria. Tap on the Peria. So now when you tap on the Peria, you can now see the option of receive transfer. Click on receive. So now when you click on receive, this is your address. Do you understand? this is the address you will use to connect to the to your Mining Peria account. Now copy your own address. So when you copy it, proceed back to the app. So when you come back to the app, you can see this option where they say wallet address, then paste it there. So when you paste it there, scroll down and then click on send verification. Click on save and send verification. Then that is what you are going to click. Then they are going to send you verification code on the email address you use in signing up. Do you understand? So when they send you the verification, you tap on it to confirm your address. So that is how it's been done. So you tap on the link you will receive in your email to confirm the address. So once you confirm it, it will be linked successfully. So that is how it's been done. And you can also change the wallet or resend the email if you did not receive it. Remember, the link they sent to your email is the one you will tap. So when you tap on it, it will automatically verify and then the wallet will be linked automatically. So that is how to connect your Mining Peria account to Web3 wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to share this video. A lot of you have asking question, how do we connect it? And this is a complete video tutorial on how you can link your Mining Peria account or connect your Mining Peria account to a Bep20 wallet address. Thank you for watching this video.